Hi, this is Katina, and I'm going to show you how to play a 1-octave D-flat scale in this video. Not a C-sharp scale, a D-flat scale. It's very important with these enharmonic scales that you say the right names of the notes in your mind when you play them, or say them out loud when you go over the fingerings like I'm about to do. If you're saying C-sharp for this one, but E-flat for that one, you're gonna play a D natural in there. I see it a lot. Hopefully you won't, but some people do, and that's usually why. So we're starting on a D flat. Lots of flats in this one. D flat, right there. So you have this key down here in the left hand for your pinky. Then you have E flat right there on the side. Moving into an F natural. And then this right here, your bottom two, you're gonna hit those. That is your G flat. Some people know it as an F sharp. We're going to stick with G flat. Moving in over here, you've got an A flat. Then you have a B flat. So your A flat is this one, but you don't play it like that. You're going to use the side so that you can just gently roll into the B flat. And as you can see, I'm not pressing the A like this either. So this is your B flat. One of the reasons we all say keep your fingers curved and close for moments like this where you go from B flat to C natural. So everything's down, this pinky for C natural, then you've got a D flat, which is the top of your scale. It's the left hand pinky that's the farthest away from you in the bottom joint. So D flat, C, B flat right here, throat tone B flat, and then we're going to roll into A flat. Drop down to your G flat. Sorry, it's hard to hold the clarinet like this. All right, you got G flat, lifting up for F. Remember, G flat's the bottom two. F. Then you have E flat, which is the bottom one, the very bottom one, and then landing on D flat right there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks.